Check out this Ford 2017 Escape Titanium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor, memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings number of drivers, 2, phone voice activated, stability control and electronic messaging assistance with read function. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.